The startup culture has taken over the world. More and more people are showing interest to start their businesses. The recent growth that the startup world has experienced is immense, and it is not going to stop anytime soon. However, beginning a startup means needing one of the most significant things, and that is investment or funds. Without finance, a business cannot happen. People who launch their businesses search for finance as they need funds to grow their companies. Businesses make money by borrowing cash, so there are banks that willingly provide loans to small businesses. In this article, we will talk about some of the banks from which you can take loans and their eligibility criteria and the documents that are needed. So let's get started. Is it an ideal idea to get the loan offered by bank? Acquiring loans from banks for a startup with a futuristic approach is always a good idea. Loans are regarded as a better source of capital for a gainful business than share capital, as you get to have better leverage. You can enjoy a surplus of the rate of return over the interest you pay for the borrowings. To begin with a startup, you need to be very well aware of how to keep your interest rate as low as possible with maximum benefits. Loans enhance the scope of your business by aiding you in expansion as well. On the other hand, it also acts as a catalyst to motivate you for better productivity. You can avail these advantages of acquiring startup loans. You can get a boost to develop an even stronger business plan. You can effectively manage the flow of money. Higher rate of return on capital. List of best banks for small business startup loans. Many banks offer loans to small businesses so that entrepreneurs can fulfill their dreams of running a business. However, the most popular banks that offer loans and are favored the most are listed below. They are HDFC Bank Business Loans. Startups can expand their operations by obtaining additional financial assistance through HDFC Bank. Every entrepreneur wants to have the least amount of documents, flexible tenures, as well as low interest rates, which you can get from HDFC. The bank offers loans to fulfill related funding. Any kinds of business requirements. Citibank Business Loans. Citibank offers loans referred to as Citi Business that offer business loans through which startups can manage working capital efficiently. A startup can also opt for diversified MSME loan products, which include working capital loans, short-term loans, long-term loans, overdrafts, as well as export-import finance options too. Citi India has transferred the ownership of its consumer business to Axis Bank starting from March 1, 2023. ICICI Bank Business Loans. ICICI also offers startup loans. They have come up with iStartup 2.0e, which provides a broad range of business solutions that help customers beyond their banking and business needs, which can help you save time and energy and allow you to concentrate on the essential business aspects. This program has been created to allow entrepreneurs to take advantage of loans. If you choose to use the iStartup 2.0, which includes banking services, lots of other services are offered to you, which play an essential role in the development of your business, such as a debit card that has limits and more. Axis Bank Business Loans. Axis Bank is among the banks that could be the right option for you. It provides the required fund as a loan for the requirement of your business. Small and micro businesses can easily apply for loans in Axis Bank. Conclusion. The majority of entrepreneurs running businesses try to make funds on their own and invest them in their businesses and move forward. If you go back in time to those who have loans, only a few can use the money they have been granted. The issue of bank loans is a huge issue for some. However, the only requirement is how to utilize the facility in the right way. The startup culture is growing day by day. Therefore, the need for business loans is also increasing.